Okay, how about this one here? Let's see. E equals 1 over x plus 1 over y, and x equals 3, y equals 7. So we are trying to work out e. Okay. So we are just following the instructions here, saying get this, add this whole thing here. Okay. So what is it? Well, let's just do it here. X goes in there, plus 1 over y goes in here. Well, x is this here, 3. So let's put the 3 into here. And then y is 7 here. So let's put the 7 into here. Okay. So basically e boils down to adding these two fractions together. If you don't know how to add fractions, then look back at the previous videos. But basically, in order to add fractions, the two denominators, the two numbers at the bottom here, they have to be the same. The trick with fractions is that we can times top and bottom by the same number. We're allowed to do that with fractions. So I'm going to times top and bottom by 7 here. Okay, so this will become 1 times 7 is 7 over 3 times 7 is 21. So what I'm saying is 7 over 21 is the same as a third, but just written differently. Okay, and then over this side, I'm going to times top and bottom here by 3. Okay, so 1 times 3 here is 3, and then 7 times 3 here is 21. What I'm saying is that this fraction here is the same as 1/7, but just written differently. Okay, so now add the two together. Remember, if we have fractions like a over b plus c over b, because the two denominators are the same, it becomes a plus c over b. Okay. So basically now look, the two denominators are the same. So I know it's just going to be 21 at the bottom, and then just get this number plus this number. Because if you look at the formula, this is how you add fractions. A plus. So basically add the top two numbers together. So that would be 10. Okay, and then have a quick glance to see if you can simplify this. You can't, so just leave it as that. Okay, so the next one, let's give you this one here. F equals 3a squared b squared c over 2. A equals 4, b equals 3, and c equals 2. All right. So basically, what this is saying is you've got one bubble here. You've got another bubble here. Remember, powers are quite important. You've got to do them before you times. So here you've got another one here. So basically, all these they're multiplying together. Okay, so you can times the 3, but basically all the things at the top you've got to merge them all together, and then you can divide by 2. Have an attempt to see if you can do this. Press pause and see if you can do it. Okay, so let's do this then. So this is 2 here. 3. Let's just leave the 3 as it is. A squared. What's a squared? Well, basically a squared is this thing squared, which is 6. 4 times 4 is 16. So remember, it's 3 times 16. Okay, and then we've got to times b squared. Well, b is 3, and we've got to square it. 3 squared is actually 9. Okay, so I'll put it in there, and then we've got to times it by c. Well, c is 2. Okay, basically, 5 times 3 is the same as 3 times 5. But basically, I'm allowed to merge these in any order I want, because they're all multiplying each other. So I'm just going to do it at random. I'm just going to do these. So basically, work out this bubble. What's 3 times 16? Well, let's see. 16 here times 3. So this would be 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus that is 4. So this thing here is hang on. This thing here is 48, and then we've got to times it by 18. So we're going to merge these two together to create 18. So 18, okay. So now it's just working out these two now. 48 times 18. Let's see. 48 times 18. So 8 times 8. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to do this. You can find a calculator or something. It's not important for the time being. 8 times 8, 64. Carry the 6. This times this would be 32. And then we carried the 6 earlier would be 38. Okay, 38. And now I've got to get this times this. So 1 times 8 is 8. And then 1 times 4 is 4. Now I just got to add them together. Hang on. So this one here would be 4. This thing here would be 16. Carry the 1. This is 7. So add the 1 earlier. So it would be 8. So the answer is 8, 6, 4. Remember, this bubble here is 8, 6, 4. Okay. And then we've got to divide it by 2. Divided by 2, so let's jump to this here. 8, 6, 4 divided by 2. So let's look at the first digit, which is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. No remainder. Let's jump to the second one. 6 divided by 2 is 3. No remainder. Now jump to the third digit. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 0, no remainder. So the answer is 4, 3, 2. Okay?